Hello students, let us revise the topic saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. So lesson number 4, carbon and its compounds. What do you mean by saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds? Compounds that are linked by single bond between two carbon atoms are known as saturated compounds. Compounds that are linked by double or triple bond between two carbon atoms are known as unsaturated compounds. Similarly, saturated compounds form a class known as alkanes. Unsaturated compounds having double bond between two carbon atoms, they form a class known as alkenes. Unsaturated carbon compounds having triple bond between two carbon atoms, they form a class known as alkynes. So alkanes have single bond between two carbon atoms, alkenes have double bond between two carbon atoms, and alkynes have triple bond between two carbon atoms. So we can derive different compounds belonging to the class alkanes, alkenes and alkynes on the basis of general formula. So general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkenes are CnH2n. General formula of alkynes are CnH2n minus 2. Now, simplest form of alkane is methane. Molecular formula is CH4. If we substitute n is equal to 1 in general formula of alkanes, or if we go on adding CH2 to methane, you will get different compounds belonging to the class of alkanes. So n is equal to 1 in general formula CnH2n plus 2, we get compound known as ethane. Molecular formula is C2H6. Similarly, if we substitute n is equal to 3 in general formula of alkanes, so we get a compound known as propane. Molecular formula C3H8. If we substitute n is equal to 4 in molecular formula CnH2n plus 2, we get a compound known as butane. Molecular formula C4H10. So all alkanes are ending with ane and they have a single bond between two carbon atoms. So let us try to derive the compounds belonging to the class alkenes. So if we substitute n is equal to 2 in general formula of alkene CnH2n, so we get a compound known as ethene C2H4. So there is a double bond between two carbon atom. So here is the formula of ethene. Similarly, if we substitute n is equal to 3 in general formula CnH2n, we get a compound known as propene. Molecular formula is C3H6. Similarly, if we substitute n is equal to 4 in general formula CnH2n, so we get a compound known as butene with molecular formula C4H8. If you substitute n is equal to 2. In general formula of alkynes CnH2n-2, we get a compound known as ethyne. Molecular formula is C2H2. If we So let us try to know the properties of saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds with respect to number of bonds between two carbon atoms, reactivity, and type of flame produced. So saturated compounds have single bond between two carbon atoms, whereas unsaturated carbon compounds have one double or triple bond between two carbon atoms. Then reactivity. Saturated compounds are less reactive, whereas unsaturated compounds are highly reactive. Saturated compounds burn with blue flame. Unsaturated compounds burn with smoky flame. So these are the properties of saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds.